Good health is not something we can buy. However, it can be an extremely valuable savings account. Yes, health is wealth. Are we healthy? Do we follow healthy eating habits or practice regular exercises? It's time to understand our physical health. So, let's have a check on our diet now. Food is the fuel for our body, and we need to pick it right to run its best. It's very important that we eat a variety of food with all necessary nutrients that forms a balanced diet. Food can be categorized into bodybuilding, energy giving, and protective foods. Let's look at the bodybuilding part. Like training, diet is a vital part of bodybuilding. They are designed to build muscles and reduce body fat. These foods are high in proteins and complex carbohydrates and include food such as whole grain bread, pasta, and cereals. The second category, energy-giving foods. These are foods which can give you energy throughout the day to think, play, and work. Examples include oatmeal, spinach, sweet potatoes, eggs, fruits, etc. The third category is the protective food. This plays a very important role for regulating various body functions like formation of blood, bones, and teeth. Vegetables and fruits belong to this group. What is a balanced diet? It's a diet which contains all the nutrients in equal proportion, such as carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, calcium, and fats. Carbohydrates are the first food to be digested. They provide instant energy to perform daily activities. Vitamins and minerals are required in traces for proper growth, development, and good health. Our body breaks starch into simple sugar, which gives us energy. Calcium, as we know, is essential for strong bones and teeth, as well as to boost our immunity. Fats, these are the storehouse of energy. They are stored as fat cells and nourish our brain and nervous system. Are we getting the right amount of calories? Now, what's a calorie? Calorie is nothing but a measure of energy that is required by our body to perform any activity. It is interesting to know that your body needs calories even as you sleep. Calorie measure depends on age, lifestyle, height, and weight. Take a look at this chart to find out your daily calorie consumption. What will happen if you don't consume the right amount of calories? If you don't eat enough, you may feel weakness, fatigue, dehydration, and poor immunity. And if you eat more, obesity is the result. Recent studies have reported globally more than 1.9 billion adults are overweight and 650 million are obese. Obesity in school children today is an uncomfortable reality. One study that reports on global trends estimates that 27.8% of all Indians would be overweight and 5% would be obese by 2030. Now, how do you burn your calories? That's easy. By regular physical exercise, balanced diet, and yoga. Research has shown very clearly that 30 minutes of moderately strenuous daily exercise is one of the most important requirements for maintaining healthy weight. The exercise you choose doesn't have to be elaborate or have to take place in the gym. Jogging or running helps in weight loss and improves bone strength. Walking is also a great exercise to stay fit, and you can do it easily and whenever you have time. Push-ups is a full body workout. This helps to create balance, stability, and builds muscle density while improving posture. If you are interested, you could do gardening as well. You will be surprised to know that gardening is counted as both an aerobic activity and strength training. Dance is a very good option. Dancing for 30 minutes or 1 hour, 5 times a week is considered good for your health. It reduces blood sugar levels, uplifts your mood, and helps you burn some calories as well. Yoga, which is known to be very effective to maintain a healthy body, also helps you to build a strong connection between your mind and body. It can burn calories, reduce stress, and help you to live a healthy life. You might have heard about BMI, right? BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It's a measure of body fat based on your weight in relation to your height. Scientists have found that one of the key to success is to maintain a normal BMI. The person is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese based on the value. BMI can be used as a screening tool for body fat, but it is not diagnostic. Now let's see how the BMI is calculated. It's weight in kilograms divided by height in meters square. Per day, men require 2,400 kilocalories and women require 2,000 kilocalories. Here's an ideal one-day diet plan for an adult. Let's have a check on the factors affecting BMI. Many studies have identified a special defect in genes that control body weight. Congenital absence of leptin produces continual hunger and marked obesity in children. Level of physical inactivity and sedentary lifestyle can lead to obesity, so active lifestyle can overcome such problems. Consumption of high-calorie food and increased screen time also affects this. So take care of your lifestyle. Studies have shown that obese people are about 25% more likely to experience a mood disorder like depression. Economic constraints contribute to unhealthy food choices as well. Low socioeconomic groups tend to buy products which are cheaper to reduce their food budget. Are you aware of the risk factors due to high BMI? These are the common health concerns. You can develop asthma, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, depression, and high blood pressure. There is a simple formula to maintain a normal body mass index. 5 or more fruits and vegetables every day, 2 hours of daily physical activity, 1 hour of recreational screen time per day, and 0 sugary food and more water intake. Remember that for health, it's the overall dietary pattern and activity that counts. It's health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Stay healthy and stay fit.